Bellway belongs to the house building industry that offers customers a range of apartments from one-bedroom to luxury penthouses, as well as prestigious executive houses. The company was founded in 1946. They evolved from a small family-owned firm to a big successful company. The headquarters are located in Newcastle upon Tyne. Bellway puts a high value on customer satisfaction. They offer financial services that provide customers with mortgage and insurance products during the home buying process. The revenue of £886,095 in 2011 grew to £1,004,227 in 2012, a sales increase of 13.33%. Operations income increased 52.41% from 2011 to 2012. The net income also changed by more than 50% in 2012. Bellway sold 304 houses more in 2012 compared to 2011. The number of employees has remained constant. Bellway Homes operates in the house building industry in the United Kingdom. Within this industry, Bellway Homes competes as a leading house builder with 19 other companies. Bellway Homes mainly competes with Galliford Try, Fairview New Homes, Morris, Keepmount and Bowes Homes. Their turnover and profit margin is comparable. Bellway Homes has to make sure that they can't confine them from their closest competitors. Tangible resources are the physical resources of the organization that contribute to its value added. The Bellway Homes located in United Kingdom is doing house build and development second-hand home, and also doing bespoke house care for the customer. Intangible resources are those resources that have no physical presence but present real benefit to the organization, like brand names, service levels and technology. So far, Bellway Homes employs in a good management and HRM to improve the home build service that benefit the company. Organizational capabilities are the skills, routines, management and leadership of the organization. So having tangible and intangible resources are not enough for Bellway Home. The organization should be able to deploy and share these resources. Bellway Home's skills in coordinating supplier of building materials and management, the coaching to maintain and improve the level of service, management, organization and leadership to deliver details, consistent house building quality. Good organizational routines can help the company to run smoothly and efficiently. Key factors for success in Bellway Homes are those resources, skill and attributes of the organization that are essential to deliver success in the marketplace. Bellway Homes stay close to customers, responds to local demands, operating via 15 regional divisions and employing local people allow them to stay close to the customer and take key decisions about design, materials and specifications in response to local demand. Build a reputation, and it also has some special offer for customers. For example, help for the first time buyer and for some home move. Bellway Home has 5 main competitors. The building materials is the main factor to influence the market. It will influence the price of home building for customers. Bellway Homes is not low-cost operators in UK, and it belongs to our large economies of scale for home building company. And Bellway Homes has a high labor cost. They have some special offer for customer that mentioned before. Good training skill and organization could improve the employees' knowledge and high quality work. The product with their own brand and copyright. Pastel model. During the recession throughout the world because of the financial crisis, UK building sector have to struggle. Therefore, the government measures a new package to stimulate especially the UK house building industry. Government is providing regulations for UK house builders. Therefore, new and older buildings should keep safe and others should made safe, accessible and efficient. Generally they should limit waste for environmental issues, most probably saving energy. This is a factor which is not easy to improve for house builders, but they have to improve and make a change for their own social responsibility. Nowadays, tax policy became more important than ever. Government are suggesting to raise taxes because of countries' debt liabilities in the current situation where financial crises take part. Companies should beware of changes in employment laws because this is also important for companies as well as for employees because the working ethics has changed and the requirements since the financial crisis takes part in companies' life. Economic. The current economic situation is not that good. There are many threats and weaknesses. The inflation rate is acceptable. The government is considering introducing a national minimum space standard for new built homes in a bid to address public concerns that new homes are too small. Therefore, the housing market around the world is depressed, especially in the UK. The housing prices and the prices for flats are exceptionally high. Unfortunately, the current economic situation is not so well. Companies have to improve their strategy in many ways to keep success and stay strong in the market. The population of the United Kingdom increased steadily in the last 60 years, and the forecast for the next years is also a population growth. The consequence for Bellway homes is that they have more potential customers, because more people need more accommodations. There are about 25 million homes in the UK, of which 7 out of 10 are owner-occupied. The number of home owners has risen by more than 1 million since 1997. In 1980, 8 of 10 homes were rented privately, compared with 1 in 10 now. The number of people in social housing has fallen to fewer than 2 in 10. The majority of single parents rent their homes. Most people live in houses, but large number of flats are being built. Homes have improved, but more than a quarter are not properly maintained or constructed. It is important for Bellway homes that they align their business to the long-term trends of the society. For example, the average age for first-time house buyers raised from 28 to 35 in the last decade. Bellway Homes has to confirm its marketing and advertisement to customers of this age. Reconstruction and modernization is a business with much potential in the future. House prices have been booming for more than a decade. The sharp increase has far outpaced wage rises. The average house now costs more than 6 times the average wage. In London, the figure is closer to 9 times. A good strategy for Bellway homes would be finding a way to build houses which are affordable for more people. It has led to first that many people will not be able to buy a first home or larger one. The typical first-time buyer takes 5 years to save the average 24,000 deposit, rising to 44,000 in London. It is thought that 4 out of 10 people buying a first home now rely on parental help. Bellway Homes has to find a way to build houses which are affordable for more people or finding better ways to refinance the house buying. More and more people dream to have their own home. Customers who are interested in properties value the price-performance ratio highly. At Bellway, the customer buys not only a house, but also many other services. Bellway is following the differential strategy. They should keep this strategy as Bellway achieves a higher net profit year to year. They have three main future challenges, which are architecture, reputation, and innovative capability. So a good network relationship contract both inside and outside could help Bellway Homes to make a good strategic and can standing of the organization with customers and stakeholders. The special talent possessed by some organizations for developing and exploring innovations, ideas to benefit the economic.